Good evening, everyone. In this video, we aim to analyze customer sentiments in Amazon Fine Food reviews, just to gain insights into changing sentiments towards food products over time and understand how customer sentiments differ between organic and non-organic food products. Now, let's dive deep into the code. Firstly, we have imported all the necessary libraries. Then after reading and creating a data frame called data, we did some like exploratory analysis where we can see there are like 56 lakhs, more than 56 lakhs records, and we have like 10 columns. The names of the columns are like ID, product ID, user ID, profile name, and so on. Then we did some, exploratory analysis. And during our, exploratory data analysis phase, we delved into data set to gain a better understanding of its characteristics and provide insights into customer sentiments. One of the crucial aspects we examined was the distribution of ratings, which served as a proxy for our gauging the overall satisfaction level of, customers. Uh, and as we can see from the graph here, uh, yeah, uh, yeah, and we can see a distribution rating graph. So by analyzing the rating distribution graph, we were able to determine the prevalence of positive sentiments among customers. The distribution showed that, the majority of the reviews fell into the higher ratings categories of, 4 and 5 stars. This finding indicates that a significant portion of the customers had a positive experiences with the food products they purchased and reviewed on the Amazon. The higher count of 4 and 5 ratings suggests that customers were generally satisfied with the quality, taste, and overall experience associated with the food products. These positive ratings reflect a positive sentiments towards the products and indicate that customers were likely to recommend them to others. So understanding the overall sentiment through rating distribution is crucial for businesses as it provides, insights into the perceived value and satisfaction customers derive from their products. By recognizing the predominance of positive ratings, businesses can identify areas of strength in their offerings and capitalize on positive customers' experience to strengthen their brand reputation and just to drive customers' loyalty. Moving on to our next chart, we can see word count distribution. So basically, it helps us to understand the length and level of detail and feedback provided. More reviews fall within a certain word count range, suggesting that customers tend to provide concise yet informative feedback. Longer reviews might indicate more detailed experiences or specific feedback, while shorter reviews could reflect quick impressions or ratings. Now, moving on to our next chart, which is average rating per month. So it allows us to observe potential trends or variations in customer sentiments over time. Fluctuations in average rating across different months might indicate seasonal variations or change in product quality or availability. It would be like interesting to explore the reasons behind any significant change in average rating to understand the underlying factors affecting customer sentiments. Now, moving on to our first research question, which is how does the sentiment towards food products change over time in Amazon Fine Food reviews? So, firstly, we did some data processing and import necessary libraries. We did like several data pre-processing, like first to tokenize the text, then we removed like stop words and punctuations, and we did like other uh, exploratory data analysis, and we investigated basically the temporal aspect of the customer sentiments by grouping the data into time intervals such as months and calculating the average sentiment score for each time period, allowing us to observe the overall sentiment patterns and potential fluctuations in customer sentiments towards food products. So now coming on to the sentiment trend over time chart. So basically, this provides insights into how the sentiment toward the food products has changed over time based on full Amazon food reviews dataset. The chart visualizes the average sentiment score for each time period, allowing us to observe the overall sentiment patterns and potential fluctuations in customer sentiments towards food products. The x-axis of the chart represents time starting before like 2000 in the dataset to 2012, and the y-axis represents average sentiment score ranging from -1, which is negative sentiment, to +1, which is positive sentiment. By examining the sentiment trends over time, we can gain valuable insights into the changing perceptions and opinion of customers towards food product. The chart also, allows us to identify any significant shifts in sentiment and understand how certain events or factors may have influenced customer sentiment. Throughout the chart, we can observe different patterns and trends into the sentiment scores. Some periods may show higher sentiment scores, indicating more positive customer sentiments, while others may show lower sentiment scores, indicating more negative or neutral sentiments. These fluctuations in sentiment scores can be attributed to various factors such as product quality, customer experience, marketing campaigns, or seasonal influences. Now, moving on to our second research question, which is how do customer sentiments differ between organic and non-organic food products based on Amazon Fine Food reviews? Same, firstly, we did, some data pre-processing, like we selected just the relevant columns like text and score, then we remove duplicate and values, then we remove missing values. Here basically we created a new column named sentiment based on review scores. It uses a lambda function um, to assign a value of 1 to score greater than 3, indicating a positive sentiment, and a value of 0 to score less than or equal to 3, indicating a negative sentiment. Moving on, here we focused on comparing sentiments between organic two subsets of data set, which is basically organic food reviews and non-organic food reviews. To perform this sentimental analysis technique to extract sentiment scores from reviews in each subset. Then we compared the mean sentiment scores, and we found that it is here, yeah. We found that the customers expressed higher sentiments towards organic food products compared to non-organic food products. This suggests generally more positive sentiments towards the organic food products among customers. Furthermore, we examined the sentiment distribution for each subset. And we can see for organic food reviews, a significant majority of sentiments were positive. Yeah, here food is positive, and on the other hand, the non-organic food reviews had slightly lower percentage of positive sentiments, making up to around 87% of the sentiment distribution. These findings indicate that customers tend to have a higher proportion of positive sentiments towards organic food products compared to non-organic food products. The contrasting sentimental distribution between organic and non-organic food reviews highlight the underlying preference and perceptions of customers towards these products categories. Organic food products, often associated with health and sustainability, garnered more positive sentiments, while non-organic food products exhibited a slightly lower percentage of positive sentiments. So now let's see what are the implications and the business insights in this project. The findings from our analysis provide valuable insights for businesses in the food industry. By monitoring the changing sentiments over time, businesses can identify key periods or events that influence customer sentiments and adjust their strategies accordingly. This knowledge allows businesses to proactively address any negative sentiments and capitalize on positive sentiments to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, the analysis revealed the distinct customer sentiments between organic and non organic food products. Understanding these differences enables businesses to tailor their marketing strategies, product development, and customer engagement initiatives for each category. By focusing on enhancing positive sentiments specific to organic or non organic food products, businesses can better align their offerings with customer preferences and improve overall customer satisfaction. So, in conclusion, our analysis of Amazon Fine Food Reviews has shed light on changing sentiment towards food products over time and the differences in customer sentiments between organic and non-organic food products. The exploration of sentiment trends over time provides valuable insights into dynamic nature of customer sentiments, allowing businesses to adapt their strategies accordingly. Additionally, the comparison of sentiments between organic and non-organic food products highlights the importance of understanding customer preferences within specific product categories. And this will be all for today's video. Thank you so much.